Do you want to automate tasks like backup, server maintenance, or reminders on Linux? So you are at the right place. In today's video, we will explore Crontab, the ultimate tool for scheduling tasks. So let's dive in. So friends, let's understand what is Crontab. Crontab word is made up of two words, that is cron table, meaning the task scheduler. So basically, crontab is a short form of cron table, and it is a configuration file that lets you schedule tasks on Linux. Imagine like you are running some commands or scripts at some specific time, like so. Let's see some examples of crontab. So we can see here that cron tab is scheduling the things like backup. It's taking a backup of log files. Okay, daily backups. We can run the system health checks scripts. We can clean up the log, like deleting the all old logs like that. So we are having some examples like a file being backup daily means taking a backup on daily basis. We can schedule it on or using a script using cron tab. Logs being cleaned weekly, so we can make a script and schedule in the cron tab to clean up the logs which are older. Okay, some specific time. We can notify the users using the emails if something is broke. Okay, we can schedule it using cron tab. We can check the system health using some script that are run on regular basis or some specific interval of time using cron tab. So I hope you are clear with the basic definition of cron tab. So let's dive in into the terminal and see some examples of this. Before creating our cron tab job, let's understand its syntax. So this is our syntax for the cron tab. We have five indicators. Here it is g- represented by asterisk. Okay, and then the command that we need to run or the script that we need to run on the regular basis. So how we can identify which asterisk is what? Okay, so let's decode those five asterisks here. So the first asterisk represents the minute. Okay, it means the first asterisk star, you can say, is the representation of minutes. The second asterisk star is representation of hours. So like we need to run the job every minute, then we will create like every minute star, okay, for the hour and so on. Third asterisk is the day of the month. Let's suppose I need to run the job only for the fourth day of my month. Okay, so I can set up that kind as well. Okay, then we have fourth is our month. Okay, month can be from January to December. Okay, we will see the representation how we are representing all asterisk in numbers here. Okay, and lastly we have day of the week, like on which day I need to run the job, like Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, the this kind of things. So I hope all asterisks are clear to you. Okay, then we have the simple command then that no we need to run or our script that is running. Okay, so let's understand how we are representing these minutes, hours, days, and weeks. Okay, so we are representing in only a numeric value. So minutes are represent like 0 to 59. Okay, 0 is for first minutes, then every minute you can say. Okay, and 59 is the last, right? Next we have the hours. Hours represent in numerical like 0 to 20, 23 for 24 hours. Next, days are denoted with 1 to 31. Okay, so this is our third column, third asterisk. Fourth, we have month. Month will be between 1 to 12. Okay, including 1 and 12 as well for the January and December. And next, we have days of the week. So, days of the week is start from 0 to 7, and it can be any. You can say like Sunday can be anything. We can start the week from every any any sequence like Sunday is represented by 0 as well as 7 also. Okay, so I hope the Crontab syntax is very much clear to you, and you are very well aware of the five asterisks that are used in Crontab by using this. Next, let's see some example of cron tab. Okay, so to clarify this syntax, we have some examples that clarify these syntax. So here you are seeing the three like you are seeing the three examples, three different examples of the cron tab. So the first cron tab, okay, it is showing like this one. This one is showing like for the script to be run, that is script.sh. This is our script file. Okay, and then we have the path to this script. It will run every 5 minutes. Why every 5 minutes? Like this is the first asterisk. Like we have the five asterisk. Like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is represent like that. Every 5 seconds, it will the second example, the second example shows that a script is run, that is rm minus rf. So it is a remove command, and it is deleting the old logs. Okay, on which time it will run? It will run on 3 a.m. on Sunday. So why it is 3 a.m.? That okay, let's check. So the second asterisk, the first asterisk is 0. 0 represented by the minutes. Okay, so it will be a 0 minute. Next, next we have first is like 0. 0 is for minutes, so it's on 0 minute. Second is for hours. Okay, so it will be a 3 hours. 3 hours means morning or 3 a.m. Okay, at any day of the month, like it can be a 1, 2, 3, any day of the month. Then the month, it can be a any month like 1, 2, 3, January, February. Okay, and it's on the 0. 0 represent here the Sunday. Okay, as we already told that 0 or 7 both represent Sundays. So this script will run on Sunday at 3 a.m. Okay, so I hope you are very much clear on understanding how we are reading this. Next, we have the script like 08 triple star echo good morning, and it is sending a mail to any user. Okay, you guys comment out this. What will be the output or what this the job is saying? Okay, when it runs. Okay, so If you know the answer, it's very good. Please comment me. I would like to see your comments or your answers on this. Okay. As well as if you have any queries, then also comment. I will try to answer all these things. So till now we are very much familiar with the Crontab syntax. We have seen some examples as well. So let's move to the terminals and create some basic scripts. Currently, I'm in the folder Bob scripts. Here I have three scripts that are going to be used. Okay, one is the cleanup logs. It will clean the older logs. Second is the disk monitor check. Okay, it will check the monitor of the. It will check the disk space. Okay, and there is one for the memory alert. Okay, so let's do entries of these scripts in our schedule. Okay, in our cron tab. So this is our cron tab. Okay, we will schedule it at 0, at 3. You can check, do any parameter. I'm doing this kind of parameter. So the first script will run on scripts and it is a cleanup script. Okay, so this script will run on 3 a.m. on Sunday. Okay, next. So you can see like I have misplaced the minutes, so I have just corrected those, and now you can see cron tab installing our new cron tab. So this is the message that it will give it as output once we have configured our cron tab. So now you can see the cron tab using the L. So you can see that this script will run in every 30 minutes because the first star is of minutes, then other things. Then it will be run on every 15 minutes. Okay, just like that. Hope we are clear how to provide the entries in the cron tab for our pre for our scripts. Okay, so now let's check some debugging things and pro tips on Crontab. Friends, to debug a Crontab, first always check if the Crontab is running or not. Okay, if it is not running, just run it by using appropriate command. Okay, based on the different operating systems you are working, maybe a CentOS or maybe a Ubuntu like that. Okay, and secondly, you can check the error logs in the syslog files for cron. Okay, if you got error, you can use that hint and fix those errors. Okay. Secondly, let's check some tips that very useful while setting up the cron tab. Okay. Okay. First tip is that always use the absolute path. Okay, in your script. Secondly, test your script manually before adding to the cron tab. Okay. This is a very critical part. Please check your script by testing your script if they are working as expectedly or not. Okay, before adding to the cron tab. Last but not the least, use at the rate reboot for tasks that need to be run at the startup. I hope you now have a better understanding of the cron tab. Okay, in the Linux. Try it out for yourself and experiment with different options and use cases. If you have any feedback or question, please leave them in the comment below. And if you want to learn more about the Linux and command line tools, be sure to check out other videos from my channel. Thanks for watching it.